Hey guys, what's up? Good day. It is Wednesday and I worked from home today. I'm off for the rest of the evening. This is the first time I'm picking up the camera because I got up this morning and I started doing my side hustle, and then it went right into my work day, and work day was like crazy and I was really frustrated. But things are like definitely much better now. However, currently we're under a tornado warning, or tornado watch. I think it's a watch. So we've got that going on. So I told Greg, he's on the computer doing a couple things right now. I just uploaded my video. Go me. I think that's what, day number 3. I think we're on day number 4. So that's kind of cool. We're just going to do something simple for dinner. I think we're just going to do chicken tenders and fries with like some honey mustard. Kind of low-key. I told him, I said, we just have to get it done before the storm rolls in, just in case we happen to lose power, because that would be my luck. You know what I mean? So, but the good thing is that I already went outside. I fed all the chickens. Marnie is good. I do have to go get her dinner, so I think I'll go get that done now, and then we'll see where the rest of the evening takes us. Great. Oh, there we go. There's our tornado warning. Until 7:15 p.m. Take shelter now in a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor. Okay. Run! Marnie, run! Run, run, run. All right, well, here we go.
Read my notification.
You have one new notification from Alexa Weather. From Alexa Weather, U.S. National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Westminster. It'll be in effect until March 11th, 7:15 p.m. EDT.
Alexa, when was the last time we had a tornado?
The most recent tornado near Westminster was on May 17th in Baltimore County.
Okay, so can you stop with your bullshit?
Oh, God.
I'll step back now.
Okay, so we have a tornado on its way. Marnie's freaking out a little bit. That's okay, although the sky is looking a little crazy. Take a look at this. Look at that. They say it's coming in the next 30 minutes, so we'll see what happens. I don't know. We'll see. We're on tornado watch. Uh-oh. You hear that? The thunder is coming. One car is like, move, 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 there's a tornado coming. Run, run. All right. We'll keep a watch on it. Alexa, what's the weather?
Currently 75 degrees with light rain. There's a tornado warning in effect until 7:15 p.m. for your area. Take cover immediately in a basement or interior room on the lowest floor. Today's high was 80 degrees with heavy thunderstorms, and tomorrow will be cooler with a high of 48 degrees.
Okay, the sky is looking a little bit crazier and crazier as time goes on. But I will say, they want us to go hide in the basement and take cover until like 7:15. But I don't see why I would want to do that. I mean, on The Wizard of Oz, Dorothy got hit in the head with the window, but then she got to go to Oz, and that was a pretty cool place. So, even like with the whole witch thing. But she got to meet some new friends, and then she woke up and she was fine. So, I don't know, tornadoes aren't that scary. At least not around here anyway. Although I was in one before that was like a little crazy. That was like back in 2020, like early 2020. my God. Oh my fucking God. So, yeah, this is like tornado season, I guess, for Maryland anyway. Whoop whoop. It's okay. We got a cop across the street. I think he's a cop or a detective or a security guard or something. I don't know. Somebody. He's a fool because he bought the house. But I digress. Okay. Here we go. Let's see what's going on.
So I have alerts.
What alert you got? See, though, this is critical.
It's bull.
It's critical. All right, we've got the rain. The rain has started. Here we go. Ooh, it's coming in on me too. Hey, hey, hey! Ooh, ooh, it's coming in fast. Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's record from inside the house. Oh, it's coming. That rain is coming in on me.
I know you made money. Wow.
I know. Whoa, that car is going fast. Sky looks kind of cool though. Man, baby. Come here, come outside. Yeah. Oh, look at, oh God. Ooh, okay. Woo, haha. That's coming in good.
Is it a tornado or a tornado?
I don't know, but things are
South, it's a tornado.
flying around. It's getting a little crazy. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Swing is moving. Oh, yes. Oh, dude. Dude, it is coming. Look at this. Oh, it's wild. Oh my God. Oh, the cars are starting to slow down. They're like, oh, snap. Uh-oh. Huh?
Something says not going to stop. That's the pretty
Nope. I wonder what it looks like out the front door. Let's go take a look.
thing. You want to leave the weed?
Yeah. This one's a little bit. Wow, it's still coming like way in though. Oh my goodness. Rain. Yep. Oh. Alright, the wind's starting to pick up again. Here we go. Here we go. Oh goodness. Oh, it really is. Sky is kind of cool though. Whew. Whew. Oh. My poor little bushes were just moving around. I think it may have just passed us. I think it's done. I think we're safe. Maybe. I don't know. It's still really windy, but nothing too crazy.
Hope it doesn't throw my tree guys off for Monday.
I don't know. It's a good point. Goodness. Look at that crazy sky. Yeah, see, earlier I went to go check on the tulips and stuff, and they're coming up, so I have to go take care of them like tomorrow. But I figured it was best to do it tomorrow and not today because we were going to have all this wind and the tornado and everything kind of coming in. So I was like, I'll just wait and see what it does to the yard, and then I'll take care of it tomorrow. But I think we're supposed to get like a lot of rain tomorrow too, so I don't know. We'll have to see what happens, but it has to get done because I want to see my tulips because they're so pretty. So we've got a lot of yard work that we're going to be doing this year, like a lot of yard work. We've got a lot of things to mulch, and Greg wants to have an outdoor kitchen, so we're working on that. And we've got some trees and bushes and all those things to kind of plant this year, so I'll share that stuff with you guys this year. I'm kind of excited. We've done a lot to this yard since we moved here, but there's a lot of like cleaning up and long-term type of care that we want to do so that it's not overwhelming, because I have to work. I can't dedicate my life to just doing the yard, and this yard takes a lot of work. So, and Greg does like so much of it, but I can't ask him to do like everything. So we're gonna work on that this year. So I'll take you along on that journey. That's gonna be interesting. I honestly think that the tornado has passed us. I think it's over. The excitement is gone. So now we have to get ready to cook dinner and eat. The plan was to do that before the storm, but
It's rain for 30 minutes.
we're going to have rain for 30 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
And some lightning.
that was uneventful, but, you know, I was going to record it for you guys the best I could, but here we are. Such is life. I guess we should be grateful, right? Nobody really wants to get hit by a tornado. Some of us are a tornado. So, that's where we're at. All right. Let me go get into something else. If anything exciting happens, I'll let you know.
It's funny. Where you're at, yellow. Over here is dark gray.
Yeah, well, our house is weird like that. We could go to one window and it'll be one color.
Whatever's over there is not over here.
Yeah, I know. It's normally like that, though. Like, even with the sunset and the sunrise and everything. It's different. We can be in the living room, look out one window, and it looks one way. Look out the other window, it looks completely different. So, I don't know. It's kind of cool. It's kind of a cool thing.
We just stayed out of Iran.
Okay, I digress. We'll be back later. Okay, so now we have the calm after the storm. Look at that sky. Isn't that beautiful? It's gorgeous. It's all pink and blue. It's very pretty. Very pretty.